Running business means wearing too many hats, managing workflow, clients, communications, and daily operations. That's a lot of work. What if you had one person who could do it all? Hi, I'm Ishtiaq Ahmed, your professional virtual assistant and business operations expert. With over 9 years of experiences, I help entrepreneurs and agencies streamline their system and manage essential business tasks with accuracy and efficiency. I handle task management, landing pages, CRM tools, and professional client coordinations. I also create AI powered videos, AI driven contents, and help business leverage AI tools to work smarter and faster. I've worked with clients from US, UK, Greece, Norway, Australia, and Colombia, delivering organized and tech-driven solutions to save time and elevate performance. I bring technical expertise, creativity, and real business insights to every project. Let's simplify your workflow and take your business to the next level together. Message me on Fiverr today to get you started. Thank you.